Hi everyone, if you're looking for that one-of-a-kind find, this is a needle in the haystack for sure. Only has 6,156 miles on it. It is a 1993 Camaro Z28 in medium Patriot red metallic. Super sharp. This is like brand new. Again, only was 6,000 miles on it. Anyway, check it out. Do a quick little walk around. Your American muscle car. Has this, it's a 1993 Camaro Z28. Has your 5.7 liter V8 engine. This is gonna get 275 horsepower. Really sharp. PM me for more info. Hope you guys have a great day and thanks for watching.